This paper decides your future, but should it? What if I told you that right now millions of Indian students are being trained not to think but to memorize? What if I told you that our education system is crushing creativity instead of nurturing it? And what if I told you that the very system meant to build India's future is failing its youth? This isn't just about bad marks or tough exams. This is about a broken system, one that rewards rote learning over innovation, pressure over passion, and outdated methods over real world skills. So, why is one of the world's largest education system failing its own students? And more importantly, can we fix it before it's too late? India has one of the largest education systems in the world, with over 300 million students enrolled in schools and colleges. Yet, despite producing brilliant minds like Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, and APJ Abdul Kalam, our education system is plagued with deep-rooted problems, from rote learning to lack of practical skills. Millions of students struggle every day just to keep up. So what's really wrong with the Indian education system? In this video, we'll break down the biggest challenges in our education today and what needs to change. The first and biggest problem: our system rewards memorization, not understanding. For decades, Indian students have been trained to mug up facts and formulas just to score well in exams. But does this actually help in real life? I remember studying history just by memorizing dates and years, but I never really understood the significance. Even in science, we focus on theory, but rarely do experiments. The obsession with marks leads to extreme stress, coaching culture, and a lack of creativity. Instead of asking why or how, students are trained to focus on what? Just enough to pass. Pass exams, of course. The world is moving towards AI, coding, and digital skills. And the sixth word in this next sentence is the problem. Many Indian schools still teach outdated syllabus. How many of our kids are learning about financial literacy, coding, or emotional intelligence in school? The curriculum hasn't evolved with the industry needs. Students learn things that won't help them in jobs or life. Countries like Finland and Singapore, they focus on problem solving and life skills. But India is still stuck in a colonial era education model. We need to teach kids how to think and not what to think. The pressure to crack JEE, NEET or UPSC has turned education into a rat race. Every year, thousands of students face depression, anxiety, and tragically, some even take their own lives. Instead of nurturing curiosity, we are forcing kids into a one-size-fits-all system. Not every child is meant to be an engineer or doctor, but our system doesn't respect alternative career paths. While urban private schools have smart classes and international exposure, many rural schools, they lack basic infrastructure, no proper benches, toilets, or even teachers. The digital divide made this worse after COVID. While privileged kids attended online classes, millions dropped out because they had no smartphones or internet. A great education system needs great teachers. But in India, teaching is often seen as a backup career. Low salaries, lack of training, and so many hurdles discourage talented educators. Education shouldn't be a factory producing the same kind of minds, isn't it? It should be a garden where every child grows in their own unique way. The change starts with awareness. So, share this video, discuss it with teachers and parents, and let's push for a better system together. What do you think? What is the biggest problem in Indian education today? Drop your thoughts in the comment box. And if you want more deep dives like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.